from striking and wheeling. Ambassador Gerald seemed to be enjoying the
Man-child
situation,
gets out of truck after getting
which made his
honked at.
attempts at
Why
portraying
he got his
anger
hand on his junk?
unconvincing.
Okay.
I'd ignored his jibes in the past, but I was getting tired of it.
The
What
fuck?
have you been able to do, Ambassador? Found the source of those hacking attempts yet? Made any arrests?
Really?
Got any suggestions? Anything besides endless carping? I exchanged glares with the ambassador for a moment, then moved on. We're working on replacing the donut, but it'll still be a few months, plus whatever time it takes to get the farm
Don't break on a car wash conveyor. Awesome quality cam.
Oh man, I get to.
Brutality to systemic racism, offering listeners a comprehensive understanding of the profound cultural
Combo is fantastic. So,
Dude is
if you ever
upset
get
I
a chance to
didn't
grab it or
realize
get it
he'd
on sale
decide
or
to
whatever,
merge
it's
the
not very
last
expensive to start with.
one. Didn't you know that
You can get it on
wasn't
Switch,
their
you can
exit?
get it on consoles, and I think it's still on Game Pass. It is on.
Double jerk idiot. At that point, I'd have stopped and told the cyclist that I had Double Jerk Idiot's plate number and evidence of his hit and run, and would he care to join me in calling the police. Just a couple of bozos trying to save 1.07 seconds. This is the best video I've seen here in a while. Chill music, the birth of a rivalry, changes of lead, close calls, and them driving out of picture together. It had it all. That's what I get for letting him go first. Lights are green. Why did this idiot stop at intersection?
What are you doing? It's green. What are you doing?
Just another idiot. I was just sitting there when dude got double tapped. Why you should let other cars pass. Hitting the brakes while driving in a straight line on the highway with nobody in front of you triggers me to no end. Just let go of the gas pedal.